Hey creators! Want social media posts that stops the scroll and gets all the double taps? Imagine turning your best travel memories into pixel perfection in under 5 minutes. Today I'm going to show you the only Canva tutorial you'll ever need, because it is packed with pro-level tricks and secret hacks to make your design stand out. Let's dive in. We are here going to make a post for travel vlog. So for this, first navigate to Canva and open New Design. Bring all your travel photos at one place so that we can have an overview of how we can blend them together in one frame. Now bring 2 photos together to make the background of our post. In this images, go to Edit and then use Magic Eraser to remove any unwanted objects so that we will have a clear background. Now go to rest of the photos and edit. Choose Magic Grab to precisely cut out only specific parts. Do this for the other photos as well. Also, use Background Remover tool where needed. With the cut-out image selected, go to Edit Photos, then click on Shadows. Now choose Outline option. Adjust size and color. Outlining adds that polished pop. Choose white or bold colors so your subject stands out. Once done, add some text. Insert bold text of 1 or 2 words and give it a bold, contrasting color and font. Now make a copy of the background image and then crop it nicely so that it covers only certain parts of the text. Once done, add a copy of the text. Now go to Effects and choose Hollow. This will give a nice transparent effect to our text. Now to blend our 2 background images together. Go to Elements and search for tiered paper in Graphics. Similarly, choose a tier paper frame and add the image into the frame. Double-click on the frame and rotate the photo to align it nicely. Now go to Layers and arrange this frame to the bottom. Add other similar frames to our design and insert photos in the frames. Now the final design is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more creative tips, and drop a comment with any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.